today we're gonna see if any of these make me sneeze. We've got cumin, red pepper, paprika, turmeric, ground pepper, and cinnamon. Never done this before, and I'm not snorting anything because that is disgusting, but we're gonna see. It's just, I don't know, do I just like wait? That just smells good. So, cinnamon, no. We're gonna try some pepper. Oh man. Ooh. Definitely irritated. Oh man, this is white pepper. Oh no, that just smells good. Yeah, I don't think any of this is gonna work. Like, do I just like, oh my god. It like makes my nose itch. I think my nose is more irritated than anything. Oh no. Oh, that's funny. So red pepper makes me sneeze. Jesus. Oh my god. I need more tissue. Okay, paprika. Yeah, I don't know. So I think the candidate red chili